this session, we want to talk about what it looks like at the end of your lease versus what it looks like at the end of financing the truck. In the case of leasing a truck, generally you're going to have an option to purchase that truck if you choose not to turn it in. Now, as we talked about earlier, there is that safety net. There is that ability, that peace of mind that if the truck is something that you're not happy with, it's not your problem at the end of the lease. That's somebody else's problem and for them to deal with. But there are plenty of leases that have the option to give you the opportunity to purchase the truck, generally at a significantly depreciated value that can keep you in the same payment or better for you to go ahead and just purchase that truck outright and keep running it if you've had a good experience with it. And by that point, you generally are going to know whether it's one you would want to take a risk on or not. And so you get a level of flexibility there to keep the truck if you like it, that on the purchase side, if you finance that truck at the end of the life, it's your consideration on how to dispose of it or keep running it, or maybe just turn it into a spare. You've got some options on that side, but in that case, all of the risk is borne by the contractor in this instance, and what their ability is to make sure they're capitalizing, make sure they're maximizing the equity, whatever that is, in the truck at the end of the life. Whereas you get the best of both worlds, really, in many instances, with the lease component of choosing that lease option.